These are channels that have thousands of subscribers. They make Islamic YouTube shorts, and that made them have tons of viewers. And they make thousands of dollars a month. So, do you want to make money like they do? Well, if it's yes, today I am going to teach you how to make this type of shorts in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, we already have our niche. This will stop us posting randomly. Secondly, you have to choose one shake which you think is best, and don't choose them randomly. You have to check it from the channels that are doing well and figure out which shake is going viral, which shake people listen the most, and finally choose your shake. Find a long video of the shake you choose and download into your device.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Hey guys, I don't usually do this even though I say this every video, but if you could like or subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it.
Sorry about that, and let's continue. Import your video to CapCut or any other video editor. Now, let's cook it. Well, now you are wondering, how am I going viral like that? Because the editing doesn't even meet with YouTube fair use of the copyright policy. But this is the secret behind all of it. To avoid copyright, add AI-generated image into your short like this. If you do that and post it consistently, you will be the first or the second rich kid in your town. Next video, I will teach you how to create a eye-catching thumbnail for your videos. And see you in the next video.